Damn, y'all. Haven't driven this car in 5 years, and first day, look what happens. Jesus Christ, don't they have anything better to do? He's like, your tag expired 5 years ago. I'm like, I know. Good thing we have an appointment, we're on our way, but he's gonna make us late. Hi y'all, what it do? We back at it again with another banger. In this episode, we got a leaky clutch pedal, so we're gonna go ahead and replace that with a fresh new pedal. So let's go ahead and get everything ready to roll. I'm not gonna be showing you guys taking out the battery, taking out all of that good stuff, just because I've already showed you before. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna take out the battery, I'll time lapse it, get to the point where we actually see the clutch master cylinder, and I'll show you how we are gonna disconnect that. And then I'll show you how we are going to go up inside the car and we're going to remove the clutch pedal from the inside. There's 3 different bolts. So if you see, there's one here, and one here. That's what we're going to be working on here today. I picked up a whole pedal just because the master cylinder is like 260 bucks. Clutch pedal was 250. So it's a lot cheaper just to get a fresh pedal in the car. I don't think it's going to be too hard to get it replaced. So let's go ahead and get to wrenching and get this clutch replaced, y'all. Alright, y'all, so right here on that bottom mount, there's a little clip that's going to come out. On the top mount, there's another clip that's going to come out. It's going to be this wire right here that's going to be disconnected, and the slave cylinder that's disconnected. So we'll go ahead and do that, move the cords out of the way. It's going to get a little messy. Let's hope not too messy. Take off the top one first. There's a little blue tab that you lift up on. Okay, just like so. And then this bottom one has a little clip. Alright, y'all, so all the lines are off. Of course, we will have to bleed it again. So dumb. But, alright, let's go ahead and move into the inside, and I'll show you what we're working with. Alright, y'all, so I already got the clutch lockout out. Got that plug disconnected. We're going to go ahead and disconnect this plug right here. And then we're going to start to take out the clutch pedal. Now, I've heard it's a little bit sketchy, so I'll try to show you guys as much as I can. This one right here, I believe, just twists. Yep. So you just twist that out. That comes out. And we'll go ahead and disconnect this one. Alright, y'all. So we got both of these disconnected. I know one is for the reverse to make sure that it's plugged in. I know that one is for the push button start. Like I said, this one is just going to twist in and out. There is a screw right there. As you can see, there's a screw on the left-hand side there, as you can see. And then there's one way up top. I'm not going to be able to show you guys that one. I'm just going to have to go ahead and get it done, and then I'll show you when it's done. Alright, y'all. Sweaty as a mofo. Finally got that clutch out. It was a... I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I got done. I broke the clutch coming out, so I hope I don't break the clutch going back in. Now that's an expensive break. We're just going to take our time. We're not going to be pulling. We're not going to be yanking. Let me go ahead and flip the camera, show you guys where we are right now. I think I'm going to cut the video tonight, and I'm going to be getting back up early tomorrow morning just when it's cool. So let's go ahead and show you what we're working with. Alright, y'all, so I realized that you could get to a bunch of the bolts from right here. So you just have to take the dash apart once again. And one thing that I was really having trouble with is going to be this piece right here. So if you see this moving, there's 2 brackets that go in the back of it, and they actually go attached to the clutch as well. So that's before I had such a hell of a time. But we did go ahead and we got the clutch out. As you can see, there's no longer a clutch there. Let's go ahead and just start transferring everything over the new one. And like I said, I'm going to cut the video here. We'll begin again tomorrow morning. Thanks for tuning in, Speed Fam. All right, y'all, just trying to get the clutch lined up to that bolt right there. So the best rule of thumb is gonna be to take this off. You're gonna spin it counterclockwise like this. While it's in here, get some channel locks, get some pliers, whatever it may be. Counterclockwise, then the clutch will release from the master cylinder, which makes it a little bit more easier for it to get it in. So I'm getting the clutch in right now, and I already have the master cylinder through. I just need to go outside and make sure that it is positioned properly, and then we'll go ahead and go from there. It's really hard to get the camera under here, so I'm doing my best. Just finesse the shit out of this and take your time with it. You don't want to break anything. That's all I can say here. All right, y'all, brand new clutch in. Damn, look at them nubbies. Ooh, spring on it, feels real nice. Of course, we won't really know until we bleed the clutch. So let's go ahead and get all of this wrapped up here, and then we'll take you to the front. We'll bleed the clutch again, and then we'll see if we have any pressure. Hell yeah. All right, y'all. Now, as I showed you earlier, this clip is gonna come down a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and push it down. Oh, look, it's already going. Oh, boom. Then we slide that in, and we just push that clip back up. Boom, in. That shit ain't coming out. Now we've got one more hose to connect. This is this blue one. It's just gonna snap right on. Boom, in. All right, y'all, so the new clutch assembly in. Let's go ahead and bleed the clutch. Make sure that we get some pressure back from it, and then go for a little cruise. All right, y'all, new clutch assembly in. No more leaky clutch. Everything's back together again. Let's go and take it for a ride. All right, y'all, new clutch feeling pretty good. Let's go see how it runs. Feels smooth, feels springy, not all sloppy like the other one. Boy, if you don't Alright, y'all, that's gonna do it for the clutch assembly replacement. Hope you found it helpful. I know I didn't show a lot while I was down underneath the car, but as you saw, it's tight. But I'm gonna go ahead and take the car back home, go tuck it in, wait for that front bumper to get painted, and we'll go from there. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys again the next time. Stay blessed, y'all.